Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look that I've got on my face right now. I was doing a few sort of prom slash graduation type makeup looks today at work and I was inspired to sort of do a look like this. Don't mind the fact that my neck doesn't really match my foundation. Fake tan, and I haven't been looking after it properly, but we'll ignore that. We'll just pretend that that's not happening. But yeah, I decided to just sort of go for the bronzy look today, and that is pretty much it. So if you want to see how I did this look, then it's coming right up. But before you go, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you in the next one.